In my opinion, this section is one of the most important topics for any software developer or engineer. It also happens to be my favorite section of this course. No matter what company you work in, where you live, or even if you're coding 10 years from now, this is a concept that will be around for a long time and something that will truly make you a better developer. Big O is something that I learned about 2 to 3 years into my career as a developer. And it's so important. It has made me a better developer, a better engineer. And it will for you as well. Big companies like Google, Facebook, Alibaba, Amazon, all know this, which is why you won't get by any of their interviews, any of their phone interviews, any of their screening interviews without encountering this topic. So we're going to learn all about this very important topic, and that's why it's at the beginning of the course. All right, did I grab your attention enough? So what are we talking about here? It's called Big O, and the official term is Big O asymptotic analysis, if you want to sound super smart and impress your friends. You see, any coder, given enough time, can solve a problem. What matters is, though, how well the problem is solved. And this is where Big O can help us. It can tell us how well a problem is solved. We're going to find out about what that means in this section. We're going to talk about Big O, what it is, how we define it, and then we're going to use Big O and its different notation to distinguish bad code from good code from great code. We are going to become comfortable with this topic, that we are going to not be surprised when this comes up in our interviews. But we are also going to build this big foundation that is important to be a great developer. The reason this topic is at the beginning of this course is that you will see this Big O notation come up again and again as we go into topics such as data structures and algorithms. Like I said, this is my favorite section, so get ready because it's going to be a lot of fun. See you in the next video.